Well, hi folks, and welcome to our room tour. We are at the Sonesta ES Suites Lake Buena Vista, room number
521.
521. Right then, Beth, let's give everyone a tour. Show them the living room first.
This is the living room. We've got TV, drawers here.
Yeah.
And then there's...
We're not sure if the TV's a smart TV. We're guessing not, because it's 12-year-old. So we've also got a sofa bed here, which is fairly comfortable considering it's a sofa bed. Right, carry on, Beth.
Dining table, breakfast bar thing here.
Yep.
Then we've got kitchen, fridge with beer, the
With
necessities.
beer, yes.
And then there's like crockery stuff in here.
Yeah, we've got toaster, cups. We put those in. We've got salt, sugar, all the bits that you need, coffee, milk, and whatever. Do you want to show the ice maker as well? So there is an ice maker inside the fridge, which will be very handy.
Cooker's here.
Yeah, it's a fairly big cooker as well.
Yeah. Microwave. And then there's cutlery stuff in here.
Yeah.
And
open that one.
this one.
Yeah.
Trash can and another one in there.
Okay, that's handy.
And then there's pots and pans and stuff in there.
That's if you fancy coming here and cooking.
Which no one's got it.
Okay. Right, so into the double bedroom.
Which is me and Stephanie's room. There's another TV here with big drawers.
Yep. Desk for you to do your homework at.
Like I'm going to be doing homework. Two big double beds. I've claimed this one because I want this one.
Yeah.
And then through here, there's the closet or wardrobe.
Yep.
In there. And then there's bathroom with, there's a hairdryer.
There we go. Plenty of toilet roll and towels and stuff.
And then in here is the bathroom with a very loud fan.
Yeah.
There's a nice bath and shower, and there's conditioner, body wash and shampoo there.
That's handy.
And then
more towels up there.
if you come back to the living room, there's the king size bed.
That is huge, that bed.
That's massive. Then there's another TV in here with more drawers.
Yes.
And there's a massive sink.
Yes, a nice big sink.
Wardrobe in here. Ironing board, safe. You want to do the cleaning? You can.
Yeah, obviously. And we've got another drawer here with a hairdryer, and we've got some towels and more tissue and stuff in there.
And there's another bathroom in here with just the same stuff in it with the conditioner.
And both rooms have got tubs as well, which is good. And I think that's it. So far so good. The rooms, I would say, they're slightly dated. I'm not sure when the building was built, but I think it was taken over not that long ago by Sonesta, and they are in the process of doing them up. We've been told that our carpets will be cleaned on the 1st of July, which is, 2 or 3 days away? So yeah, our rooms, we've got to make sure nothing's on the carpet that day, just so they can come in and clean the room, clean the carpets. But apart from that, it seems everything's alright. So yeah, that's our room tour, and hope you enjoyed it.